It's John Link at Apache Village RV Center. I'm standing in our brand new showroom in our new O'Fallon, Missouri location. Things are really coming together here. I'm just going to do a quick walk around and show you how things are going to be laid out in our shop, in the interior of our office and showroom, and our new exterior, which is facing Highway 70 right out here. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Guys been working hard. We should be pretty much on schedule to have everything open, and man, are we excited. This looks outstanding. So main entrance will be right over here, coming into our front desk, which you can kind of see taking shape. Offices all lined around the outside of the showroom. Parking will be right out front out here for customers. This is Veterans Memorial Parkway, by the way, right off of the outer road for Highway 70. Next to the Slumberland and Ethel's. See the highway out there. If you kind of make your way back here, I'll show you what our new shop is looking like. Has 12 120-foot pull-through bays. Offices and conference rooms back here. Parts and service department. Garage doors have already been installed in the new service center. I said 12 bays. There's actually 8 here, 1 for parts right there, and then 2 more for PDI behind this back wall. But it's amazing watching all this take shape. We're so excited to open. It's been a nice long year-long wait, but these guys have absolutely killed it. And it's unbelievable how much progress has been made over the summer. And we'll have an 11-acre lot, just under 11 acres, but they're moving earth out here to get ready, pouring the foundation for our parking lot. You can see right here, these gentlemen have already started to build the concrete slabs for the service space. And then all of our display and units will be right out here on the side of the highway. When you pull in for service, you come right around here. There'll be a service entrance on the other side of the building. And if you're coming to pick up a new unit, we're gonna have our PDI lot set up right over here. Wash and clean campers, get them ready to go after the inspections are completed inside the service center. This is facing the highway right here. This is where customer parking will be. So needless to say, we are very excited and can't wait for this to open. Watching it take shape here over the last couple of months, it's been incredible. The progress has been swift, to say the least. But it looks absolutely beautiful. I think the garage door colors are changing. I'll talk to my cousin Jack. I think he said we're painting them a different color. I think we're painting them black to match the rest of the accents out here on the front of the building. But check out these giant wood joists they made for the kind of pavilion. We have this big wraparound pavilion that goes all the way around the outside of the building. Beautiful glass front. We'll have a huge Apache Village sign and a digital sign out by the highway talking about sales and specials and sales events and things like that. And here's the front that's facing Highway 70. So if you've been driving by and are wondering what's being built out here, here's what it has finally ended up with. I love this stone. It looks outstanding. And then when you come by, you'll come through the showroom from the parking lot over there, walk through the showroom, pop out back here, access the lot, see all the beautiful products we'll have out here. And we'll do some sort of video to announce what products we will have featured at Apache Village RV Center here in O'Fallon, Missouri. Here's the back door to the service center. But this giant sprawling lot will be filled with campers in no time. You can see kind of where we're gonna have trees and shrubs lined up. Have the parking all segmented right around this side of the lot. Super easy to access right off I-70. Can't wait to share with you folks. Our family's so excited. And it should be a matter of months until we're open for business out here. We're hoping either late fall or early spring. You know, things slow down a little bit with the the seasons, obviously, and St. Louis weather and the holidays and such, but the clock is ticking very quickly for this to all be open and ready to see your smiling faces here. We can't wait to share the new location with you. Wait for more updates to come. Once again, we'll probably do a big announcement on products we're going to carry and everything else. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.